know, my goal is to grow this group with a lot of really ambitious people that are keen about working out and fitness and food. And that's, you know, that's my goal. I want to be surrounded with fitness and food myself. So anyway, so I was getting some of my snacks ready and I thought, you know what, the best thing I can do, I want to share what I'm doing with you so that maybe this resonates with some of you. And if you're having problems with snacks or reaching for the wrong ones, which I oftentimes do, because my husband has a lot of like the little cookies around and things like that. And if I don't have something around that's really healthy and good for me, I'm reaching for all the bad stuff. So, oh, hi, Roxy. So anyway, I wanted to show you what I did. So I go to the grocery store. I went to the grocery store and I purchased a whole bunch of healthy type snacks. And you know, I've been doing Alana's To Be mindset. So one thing she says, she calls it the two bunnies, and it's water first, veggies most. And so what she always says is, before you go to eat or snack or anything, drink your water first. So you can see this is 30 ounces. I try to drink at least 3, if not 4 of these every single day, trying to fill up with my water. It's hard for me, but it's harder on the weekends than it is during the week, because during the week I have a more strict schedule. My schedule is stricter, so I'm able to because it's more strict, I'm able to really drink on a certain time. On the weekend, who knows what happens on the weekend. My schedule goes like out the door. So it's harder for me on the weekends. But anyway, so I drink my water first, right? Before I reach for any food, I drink my water first. But I wanted to show you another trick I learned on the To Be mindset, and that is snacking. So I don't know if you all knew this, but my favorite snacks used to be Lay's potato chips. And when I started to try to lose weight, I didn't cut them completely out. What I did is I portion controlled them into snack size bags. And I took a big bag that I would buy, and I bought a bunch of those little snack size bags, and I portion controlled all the Lay's potato chips in little snack size bags. And I shoved all those little snack size bags in my refrigerator, and I was allowed to have 1 snack size bag a day. So that really helped me with my habit of eating too many Lay's potato chips. Eventually I just stopped eating Lay's. I stopped buying Lay's potato chips, and it just happened, is all I can tell you. But one thing I've learned from Alana's coaching in the To Be mindset is our palate is, when we're snacking, we're probably looking for crunchy, we're looking for salty, and we might be looking for heat, a little heat, spiciness. So it makes sense to me. It made a lot of sense to me, all of that. And so I really thought about, you know, what kind of snacks could I have that would fulfill all of that. And so I stopped at the grocery store and I thought, instead of my potato chips, I'm gonna make my cucumber chips and put them in my Buzz Lightyear snack bag. So I got a really good blue cheese dressing that's 0 carbs, 0 sugar. And I added some of my my spicy salt and hot sauce to it. And this would be one of my snacks. So I'm gonna taste it. So my little chip, I got ink on me. My little chips so I got my crunchy, I have my salty, my savory is the blue cheese dressing, and my hot spiciness. Oh my God. Wow. I get so excited, but that combination is amazing, you guys. It's the saltiness with the crunchy, with the savoriness of the blue cheese dressing, and the heat. That combination is amazing. Who would have thought? So I made so I bought these cucumbers, and I made up 15 snack bags of cucumbers all ready to go. So they're in the fridge. The other thing I bought was celery, okay? So it was just the hearts of celery, and I just cut them. I chopped them up. This is what's left over, but I have about 20 little snack bags of celery, okay? all ready to grab and go. Me take to work, me take on the road with me, or me grab them at home here while I'm working and eat. And again, I'll use my savory, salty, spicy mix. Let's take another taste. Now notice, very good. Notice, I portion controlled my mix, so the calories will creep up. So I have these for snacks. Other thing I bought for snacks, snap peas. Now a lot of people will chop the ends off, each end. I'm trying to eat as much of everything that I can. So Steve won't like these, but I am like taking the stress out of work and I'm trying to do less work, and I'm trying to eat as most of the vegetable as I can, which makes sense. So this is another one ready to go. Crunchy, salty, savory, spicy. It's amazing. Love it. So good. The last snack bag, so I have about 10 of these snack bags. So, I mean, you can see it's called No Excuse, Connie. There is no excuse. I don't eat really healthy. Sorry I'm eating in front of you, but I just think. Pepper pops. So you know those little peppers? Now, the way I portion control my peppers, because peppers have a little bit more, a little bit more sugar carbs to them, right? So the way I portion control them, I take one of the small pop peppers and I just chop it up, okay? The only thing I took off of this pepper was the actual very end, okay? But other than that, you can see I'm eating all the seeds. Again, these peppers are gonna be good for dipping. The reason I'm eating the seeds, I'm trying to eat more of everything because the pits and seeds have nutrition in them. So these peppers are great. They're great for dipping. Look. Wow. Delicious. So, I have two more. So you can see, when it comes to snacking, man, it's about planning. You guys, this took me all but a few freaking minutes, swear to God. Just a few minutes. And you can see like I'm going a little bit crazy because this is really good. Look at it. It's so good. Wow. You know what it is? It is the dressing. This blue cheese dressing with the saltiness that I put on it and the hot sauce. My God. Really good. So, I hope I'm not getting you hungry, but this is key, snacking. Get your snacks ready, get your plan, get your little snack bags, get them all made in little snack bags, shove them in your refrigerator before you go to grab something bad. Don't tell yourself you can't have something bad. You know, I don't like no. No is not in my vocabulary. The only thing I want you to do for discipline is before you eat anything, I want you to drink at least like 8 ounces of water. Try to drink down 8 ounces of water so you start getting your stomach filled. Grab the healthy snacks you have. Make yourself, so make sure the snack is crunchy. Make yourself a savory, salty, spicy dipping that has like no carbs and no sugar, okay? That you can dip your snacks in. Make sure your snacks are crunchy, and there you have it. I think it's delicious. It's so delicious, satisfying, and will be filled. And guess what? We just ate really, really healthy snacks. So give it a try. I think you're gonna like it. My dressing is out of this world. And again, the key is the savory dressing. I use the blue cheese with the salty with the extra salt and with the hot sauce, and then I use the crunchy snacks. The celery, cucumbers, the peas, snap peas, and the baby bell peppers, the sweet little baby bell peppers, pepper pops. Brilliant. Okay, enjoy your snacks, eat healthy. If you're still hungry, go eat whatever you want then, but first fill up on the healthy stuff. Okay, bye bye.